friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can watch all the interesting and practical videos. All the content of this channel is based on the reliable medical sources of the world, and the available instructions have been tested by countless people and are 100% real and doable. So feel free, use these formulas, and enjoy the results. Today I am with you with another video, so stay with me until the end.
Since fatty liver disease is one of the silent and asymptomatic diseases, its prevention is one of the priorities, because this disease usually manifests itself when fat particles have involved a large part of the liver cells. Fatty liver appears after involving the liver with symptoms such as weakness, fatigue, and a feeling of heaviness and pressure in the upper and right abdomen. Fortunately, among the natural methods of treatment around the world, there are solutions and techniques that can be used to prevent and treat fatty liver. Here we review some of the most practical and simple of these methods. 1. Preventing the accumulation of fats in the liver with green tea. Drinking green tea or using the extract of this medicinal plant has a great effect in preventing the accumulation and deposition of fats around the liver, while it can also help speed up the healing process of fatty liver. People who are prone to this disease, such as obese and sedentary people, can prevent this disease by including green tea in their daily diet, provided that in addition to drinking green tea, a diet rich in vegetables and include fruits in your diet. In addition, Chinese healers believe that drinking this herbal tea continuously can prevent liver cancer. 2. Reducing fat absorption with MilkThistle. MilkThistle is another medicinal plant that is used to treat and prevent liver diseases. Since this plant has a compound called silymarin, it can be effective in reducing the absorption of fat, especially bad fat, LDL, triglycerides, and reducing cholesterol absorption. For this reason, many therapists consider this plant as one of the most effective medicinal plants for the treatment of fatty liver and consider the consumption of this plant as tea or dry with food to be effective in this field. Consuming this herb in consultation with a traditional medicine specialist can help improve liver function and increase the rate of liver cell regeneration. 3. Increase body metabolism with ginger. Another way to reduce the absorption of fat in the bloodstream and internal organs is to include ginger in the weekly diet. People who use ginger 2 to 3 times a week can benefit from its therapeutic properties in increasing the rate of metabolism and reducing the absorption of fats. For this purpose, you can grate a piece of ginger in a bowl of yogurt and eat it after meals. According to some therapists of natural methods of treatment, drinking ginger tea is also effective in controlling liver diseases, especially fatty liver. Drinking this tea can help reduce fat absorption around the liver and prevent people prone to this disease. It is very important to consume ginger tea or low-fat yogurt containing ginger, especially in meals where you have eaten fatty food. 4. Replace soy with red meat. One of the most important factors that can prevent the deposition of fats in the liver tissue is to modify the diet. According to researchers, replacing soy and vegetable protein instead of animal protein, especially red meat, can have a great effect in reducing the absorption of fat and triglycerides in the liver tissue. Therefore, therapists advise people prone to fatty liver and liver inflammation to use red meat and soy together to prepare their meals during the week and to minimize the consumption of red meat. 5. Don't forget the lemon juice. Drinking a glass of water with the juice of a fresh lime at the beginning of the day can be the best medicine to prevent fatty liver. Since lemon is rich in vitamin C and as an antioxidant can play an effective role in digestion and absorption of useful substances in the body, it has a great ability to prevent and treat fatty liver. 6. Don't neglect turmeric. Recently, researchers from St. Louis University have reported the effect of turmeric on the control of fatty liver disease in obese people who are suffering from this disease. Based on this specified research, people who use turmeric as a seasoning in their daily routine have a more resistant liver against fatty liver disease, and the possibility of storing fat particles in their liver is less. Therefore, these researchers advise people to include turmeric as an effective and healing spice in their weekly and even daily schedule. 7. Drink herbal essences. Herbal extract of Fumaria officinalis, alhagi, and Cichorium intybus are among the effective herbal medicines in controlling and treating fatty liver. Since these herbal drinks have a cold and moist nature, they reduce the level of cholesterol in the blood, and at the same time, they help to cleanse the liver and body of toxins and waste materials. According to therapists, drinking 1 to 2 glasses of Fumaria officinalis, Cichorium intybus, and alhagi or a combination of them can have a great effect in preventing liver diseases, especially fatty liver and liver cirrhosis, and reduce the probability of contracting these diseases to 0. Deliver. 8. Drink coffee to treat fatty liver. Today, it has been proven that drinking a cup of coffee a day is very useful to prevent liver dryness and fatty liver. Those who suffer from fatty liver disease can use coffee as a helper in its recovery. Of course, it should not be assumed that only coffee is effective in improving this disease, but a person suffering from fatty liver should lose weight and exercise. In addition, it has been proven today that those who consume a cup of coffee daily are less likely to suffer from liver cancer compared to those who do not consume coffee.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for being with me. If you like the video, please like it. Every week, a lot of interesting videos are posted on the channel, so subscribe now and press the bell button.